In this video, we'll explore the top 5 window cleaning robots that are transforming how we keep our windows crystal clear without lifting a finger. Whether you're in a high-rise apartment, a multi-story home, or just tired of streaks and smudges, these robotic cleaners bring innovation and convenience straight to your glass panes. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's get started. Number 5. PuRuikai N361. The PuRuikai N361 ultra-thin window robot vacuum cleaner, a compact yet powerful solution for spotless glass surfaces. Measuring just 9.5 centimeters thick, its ultra-slim design allows it to reach tight spaces, such as under furniture or narrow bathroom corners, with ease. Engineered with advanced robotic technology, the N361 delivers thorough and efficient cleaning across your windows. It features a dual-disc twisting and wiping system that mimics manual hand cleaning for a streak-free finish. The micron mist condensation and soaking system ensures the ultra-fine fiber cloth remains perfectly moistened, maximizing cleaning performance. The robot is easy to operate using a one-button remote control, allowing you to start or stop cleaning from across the room. Smart navigation technology enables the N361 to detect window edges, obstacles, and borders, adjusting its path for complete coverage. For peace of mind, it includes a fall prevention system that sounds an alert in case of power failure. A built-in battery provides up to 20 minutes of backup operation, giving you enough time to safely remove the device. If you live in a high-rise building, always secure it using the included safety ropes. The PuRuikai N361 is a smart, safe, and efficient window cleaning solution, ideal for anyone looking to save time while keeping their glass surfaces crystal clear. Number 4. ABIR WD8. The ABIR WD8 is a high-performance window cleaning robot designed to deliver professional-level results at home. With an ultra-thin body measuring just 62 millimeters and a sleek square shape, it reaches deep into corners and along edges for a complete clean. Powered by a German brushless motor, the WD8 operates with low noise and high efficiency. Its SLAM 4.0 intelligent path planning system, combined with built-in laser sensors, allows it to detect edges and adjust its route within just 0.3 seconds, ensuring every inch of your surface is covered. For stubborn stains, the robot uses dual ultrasonic spray nozzles, atomizing water in 3 directions. This feature enables effective stain removal without manual scrubbing. You can choose from 4 cleaning modes: deep cleaning, Z cleaning, N cleaning, and fixed point mode to suit different cleaning needs. The ABIR WD8 memorizes its cleaning route and automatically returns to its starting point once finished. It also provides voice prompts, including alerts when the water tank needs refilling. Safety is built in, with a 650 mAh backup battery that keeps the robot attached to the window for up to 40 minutes during a power outage. A 4-meter safety rope adds extra security for high-rise window cleaning. Beyond windows, the WD8 is also suitable for mirrors, marble countertops, tiled walls, and smooth wooden doors, making it a versatile cleaning companion for your home. Number 3. PuRuikai PRK-309. The PuRuikai PRK-309 is a smart, automated window cleaning robot designed for effortless, streak-free results. With its ultra-thin body measuring 95 millimeters, it easily fits into tight spaces and hard-to-reach corners, making window cleaning simple and hands-free. Equipped with a 40-millimeter large water tank, the PRK-309 can clean up to 50 square meters on a single refill. Its ultrasonic atomization spray technology distributes a fine mist evenly across glass surfaces, ensuring a deep and consistent clean. The robot features a twin-disc twist wiping system with 14.5 centimeter diameter pads, mimicking manual scrubbing for a highly effective finish. Operating the device is easy with the included remote control, allowing you to clean high or awkwardly positioned windows without climbing or stretching. The PRK-309 is not limited to home windows. It also cleans glass doors and car windows, offering multi-purpose functionality across various surfaces. Safety is a key feature with built-in sensors for anti-collision and real-time edge detection, preventing falls or damage during operation. In the event of a power failure, the robot's built-in, uninterruptible power supply system keeps it securely attached to the window for up to 20 minutes, giving you time to safely remove it. Designed for convenience, the PRK-309 includes a one-button start function, making it extremely easy to operate. With a quick setup, efficient cleaning performance, and multiple safety protections, it is a powerful tool for modern window care. Number 2. CHOVERY CL1. The CHOVERY CL1 is an innovative window cleaning robot designed to handle tough grime effortlessly. It features a powerful double spiral cleaning head that can clean glass surfaces from just 3 millimeters thick up to windows larger than 45 by 45 centimeters, completing the job in about 4 minutes per square meter. With a strong 5,600 Pascal suction power, the CHOVERY CL1 securely clings to your windows, making it ideal for high-rise buildings and hard-to-reach places. Its uninterruptible power supply system provides an extra 20 minutes of backup power in case of power outages, ensuring safety and continuous cleaning. Equipped with AI technology v2.0, this robot intelligently calculates the best cleaning route for full coverage and automatically stops once the task is complete. A 4-meter-high strength safety lanyard prevents any falls during operation. The CHOVERY CL1 offers 3 automatic cleaning modes and also allows manual control for precision cleaning. For optimal results, start with the dry fiber mat to remove dust, then switch to the wet mat with a few sprays of water or glass cleaner for a sparkling finish. To top it off, the product comes with a 1-year warranty and a responsive customer support team ready to assist within 24 hours. The CHOVERY CL1 combines power, intelligence, and safety to make window cleaning easy and reliable. Number 1. CHOVERY CL2. The CHOVERY CL2 is an advanced window cleaning robot designed to simplify cleaning high and hard to reach surfaces without the need for ladders or heavy lifting. It is ideal for windows, frames, smooth floors, and even walls, making it perfect for high-rise buildings, offices, hotels, and classrooms. This robot is controlled easily with a one-handed remote control, offering precise maneuverability similar to drone operation. It comes with a 1.5-meter power cord and a 4-meter extension cord to cover a wide cleaning range. The compact design allows the CHOVERY CL2 to access every corner with safety and efficiency. Its rubber, non-slip track, and gravity configuration system keep it securely attached to slippery surfaces like glass, mirrors, marble countertops, tiles, and smooth wooden doors. Powered by an advanced AI system, the robot uses smart navigation to detect window frames and obstacles automatically. The powerful suction system holds it firmly to glass, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning. With intelligent path planning, the CHOVERY CL2 cleans glass surfaces more effectively than traditional methods. Its double discs and double suction system mimic human hand movements, rubbing and cleaning at 70 revolutions per minute. This results in a spotless, streak-free, and translucent finish every time. The CHOVERY CL2 is a versatile, safe, and powerful cleaning companion for homes and workplaces seeking effortless glass and surface maintenance. There you have it, the top 5 window cleaning robots that are changing the game in home maintenance. Whether you want spotless views or just hate the hassle of scrubbing windows, these gadgets are ready to do the dirty work for you.